Hello, friends. Hello, teachers. How are you? Hope you're fine and doing good. So, I am again here and wanted to share something. Maybe not new, maybe old, but we have been doing this. So, whenever we want to share any document or whenever we want to give any document to the recipient, we either give through the email or share through the pen drive. But as long as collaboration is concerned, we used to share the document and try to use the tool which is collaborative in nature, like Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, and so many. But what happens in these tools, whenever you share any document with the recipient either can comment on this, view the document, or can edit the document. It is given by the sender. The recipient can receive the document using such permissions: viewer, commenter, and editor. So, what if we want to make a copy of the recipient? What should we do? So, to discuss this, I'm going to do the practical on that. So, just have a look on this. Suppose I want to share this sheet. I'll simply click on the share and I can give the user's name here like this, and here I can assign the rights. It is up to me what right I want to give to the recipient. But what happened when we use the option get the link or copy link? Using this option, you'll be able to create a copy for the recipient of the same document. How this is possible and how do we do it? This I am going to tell you. So what to do, or you want to share this document on any social media like Facebook or on WhatsApp. So this way, this get link helps. And I am going to change uh, or I want to give the right other than these three, means viewer, commenter, and editor. And fourth right is what? Fourth right is copy. And if you want to give the copy of the document so that it becomes the recipient's own copy. So how do we do it? So this we can do, just follow these steps. Click on change to anyone with the link, and here copy this link. Simple. Copy the link and click done and come out and go to the social media. Say I'm taking WhatsApp here as my social media, and I'm going to paste it here. And finally, what will I do? Finally, I'll delete this part of this link and replace this cut part with the keyword copy, and I'll just send. So as soon as I send this to the recipient, and when recipient opens this link like this, so in the browser you see it gives a pop-up, copy the document, means whichever I had shared with uh, the recipient, in recipient's window, this message pops up, and here is there is a button, make a copy. So if recipient clicks this button, it will create a copy of the document, which is recipient's own copy. So this way, recipient gets his own copy. But so far, we have been what we have been doing, we have been sharing the document to the persons or to the recipients, and somehow if you make a change to your own document, the recipient document will get affected. So this is very right option, this is very fantastic option, so that you can make a copy of the document which is recipient's own copy. So how is this option? Do you like it? If you like, then comment.